जरा आपका फोटो निकलेगा आपका मेरा फोटो That's a good idea. ए रुक रहे ये बाद में हटा लो मैम ये मैम do some of the front page excuse ma'am do some of the front ma'am yeah ma'am yeah madam straight ma'am one last that's fine ma'am straight okay ma'am here for okay so before I throw quickly sick questions to the members of the press I'm genuinely curious to know how do you do this Delhi, Bombay, living out of a suitcase, nomadic existence? Does that take a toll on you as an actor?
Yeah, I think it does. You know, actually, I used to find it very difficult in the beginning because it's madness. I mean, I think everybody at the airport, Delhi airport and Bombay airport, they recognize me by now. But it's, you know, I really think that if you want something really bad, it sort of doesn't bother you so much. I think if you want it all and you're wanting to really stretch yourself to do it all, you know, I think it doesn't bother you after a point. You just tend to become so focused about what you really need to do that you stop thinking about, "Arey, yaar, flight pakadni hai. Arey, you know, abhi I need to be there. Now I need to go back. Like, I need to get back to Delhi for 4 days now. I mean, I'm leaving day after." But it's just... you don't think about it, really. Like, you're in 20 places at the same time. How do you do it, Jitesh? I want to know. Yeah, and you change your BB status every, like, 15 minutes with some very profound thoughts. I don't know how you do that. So, yeah, for me, that'll be very tiring. This is easier.
But, you know, I remember, say, it was 2001, 2002, you were this girl out of college, and you did a video for Gulzar Saab and Meghna Gulzar. I remember. So, how, as like a rank outsider, you know, you come to the movies and then suddenly you're faced with full-blown glamour and, you know, the works, the entire enchilada, you know, managers, stars, dates, you just have to do the entire thing.
Yeah.
So was that too much to take at the first time? You know, you came and then there was like a 2-year gap when you went back.
4 years.
You know, 4 years gap, I'm sorry.
4.5 years, yeah.
So was that like too overpowering for you?
You know, I've said this a lot of times. I think, like you said, there's so much that goes on in being on the screen that actually just giving that shot and just doing that one shot and your dialogue is the easiest thing to do. Everything around it, like you said, you know, the whole fluff that comes with it is so much more difficult to handle. So I think that is probably what happened when I came. I did my first film out of total accident. That I got the first film and I did it. I did the second also. And then the entire exercise around it just felt so daunting. It was so kind of scary in a way that I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to move city. I didn't want to come set up a place here and go see this one. And you know, you're right, because your secretaries and managers start telling you, "Arey, usko milna hai, do this, da, da, da." I was like, okay, I don't know if I want to do this right now. You know, so something like that probably. And yeah, I took that break of 4.5 years and sort of left. I think I didn't feel that ambitious at that point. I didn't feel that focused. I think focus is a better word. Yeah.
So welcome back to the movies yet again.
I'm just